Reading is the supreme life hack. Distilled knowledge that often took years to assemble can be consumed in just a few hours, and the more you know about social psychology and human behavior, the better. Reading good psychology books lets you jump-start your education by absorbing what researchers, professors, and authors spent years putting together. I want to make sure that every book link is given in the description below. And also each and every book in the list is very good and will enlighten different aspects of human psychology like persuasion, productivity, or creative work, so I suggest you read every book in order to understand human psychology better. I also want to know if you have read any of the psychology books from the list. If yes, then share your reading experiences with us in the comment section. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe this channel so that you won't miss any future best book list videos. So without further ado, let us begin the top 10 best psychology books. Number 10. Outliers: The Story of Success by Malcolm Gladwell. In the stunning new book, Malcolm Gladwell takes us on an intellectual journey through the world of outliers, the best and the brightest, the most famous and the most successful. He asks the question, what makes high achievers different? His answer is that we pay too much attention to what successful people are like and too little attention to where they are from, that is, their culture, their family, their generation, and the idiosyncratic experiences of their upbringing. Along the way, he explains the secrets of software billionaires, what it takes to be a great soccer player, why Asians are good at math, and what made the Beatles the greatest rock band. Number 9. David and Goliath: Underdogs, Misfits and the Art of Battling Giants by Malcolm Gladwell. In his number 1 best-selling books Outliers, Malcolm Gladwell has explored the ways we understand and change our world. Now he looks at the complex and surprising ways the weak can defeat the strong, the small can match up against the giant, and how our goals, often culturally determined, can make a huge difference in our ultimate sense of success. Drawing upon examples from the world of business, sports, culture, cutting-edge psychology, and an array of unforgettable characters around the world, David and Goliath is in many ways the most practical and provocative book Malcolm Gladwell has ever written. Number 8. The Happiness Hypothesis by Jonathan Haidt. In his widely praised book, award-winning psychologist Jonathan Haidt examines the world's philosophical wisdom through the lens of psychological science, showing how a deeper understanding of enduring maxims like this is a book about 10 great ideas. Each chapter is an attempt to savor one idea that has been discovered by several of the world's civilizations, to question it in light of what we now know from scientific research, and to extract from it the lessons that still apply to our modern lives. It is a book about how to construct a life of virtue, happiness, fulfillment, and meaning. Number 7. How the World Sees You by Sally Hogshead. You already know how you see the world. But do you know how the world sees you? How is your personality most likely to impress and influence the person sitting on the other side of the desk or boardroom? Once you know what makes you valuable to others, you're more authentic and confident, and more able to make a positive impression. It all begins with understanding how the world sees you at your best. How the World Sees You gives you the step-by-step method to describe yourself in just 2 or 3 words. This short phrase is your anthem, the tagline for your personality. Your anthem guides you like a mission statement, helping you to build your team, write a LinkedIn profile, or captivate an audience. Number 6. Write the Surprising Truth About What Motivates Us by Daniel H., the New York Times bestseller that gives readers a paradigm-shattering new way to think about motivation. Most people believe that the best way to motivate is with rewards like money, the carrot and stick approach. That's a mistake, says Daniel H. Pink, author of To Sell Is Human, The Surprising Truth About Motivating Others. In this provocative and persuasive new book, he asserts that the secret to high performance and satisfaction at work, at school, and at home is the deeply human need to direct our own lives, to learn and create new things, and to do better by ourselves and our world. Number 5. The Social Animal by Elliot Aronson. Newly revised and up-to-date, this edition of The Social Animal is a brief, compelling introduction to modern social psychology. Through vivid narrative, lively presentations of important research, and intriguing examples, Elliot Aronson probes the patterns and motives of human behavior, covering such diverse topics as terrorism, conformity, obedience, politics, race relations, advertising, war, interpersonal attraction, and the power of religious cults. Number 4. The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. In The Power of Habit, award-winning New York Times business reporter Charles Duhigg takes us to the thrilling edge of scientific discoveries that explain why habits exist and how they can be changed. With penetrating intelligence and an ability to distill vast amounts of information into engrossing narratives, Duhigg brings to life a whole new understanding of human nature and its potential for transformation. At its core, the power of habit contains an exhilarating argument, the key to exercising regularly, losing weight, raising exceptional children, becoming more productive, building revolutionary companies and social movements, and achieving success is understanding how habits work. Number 3. Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. In the highly anticipated Thinking Fast and Slow, Kahneman takes us on a groundbreaking tour of the mind and explains the two systems that drive the way we think. Kahneman exposes the extraordinary capabilities and also the faults and biases of fast thinking and reveals the pervasive influence of intuitive impressions on our thoughts and behavior. The impact of loss aversion and overconfidence on corporate strategies, the difficulties of predicting what will make us happy in the future, the challenges of properly framing risks at work and at home, the profound effect of cognitive biases on everything from playing the stock market to planning the next vacation. Each of these can be understood only by knowing how the two systems work together to shape our judgments and decisions. Number 2. Influence, the Psychology of Persuasion by Robert B. Influence, the classic book on persuasion, explains the psychology of why people say yes and how to apply these understandings. You'll learn the 6 universal principles, how to use them to become a skilled persuader, and how to defend yourself against them. Perfect for people in all walks of life, the principles of influence will move you toward profound personal change and act as a driving force for your success. Number 1. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. You can go after the job you want, and get it. You can take the job you have, and improve it. You can take any situation you're in, and make it work for you. Dale Carnegie's first book is a timeless bestseller packed with rock-solid advice that has carried thousands of now famous people up the ladder of success in their business and personal lives. As relevant as ever before, Dale Carnegie's principles endure and will help you achieve your maximum potential in the complex and competitive modern age.